G'day YouTube, how you going? Just a quick one. Down here at the office, I've been working on my Ethernet system. I've only had a few hours to work on it, so I'll just show you quickly what I've done. So as you can see, it's spaghetti junction there at the moment. Still got a bit of work to do, but I've run out of time, so next time I come down I'll get it finished. Got a new access point here. That's my online radiation detector thing that I've been a bit of a contributor to. That's the power supply for the wireless bridge that goes over to the house. And you can see up there I've got a USB power supply for the radiation detector. That's a Wi-Fi controlled USB switch for the radiation detector, which is this one here, the radiation monitor. And then I've got a camera that I haven't mounted on the roof yet, so I just chucked it up in there. I've got a unmanaged switch for the bits and pieces inside the office that are wired, and then this top switch here is a PoE, or power over Ethernet, injected managed switch. And I've got another bit of a setup up at the house which is also partly finished, so hopefully I'll get that all done as well next time I'm down here. And it's got a few tricks up its sleeve to help with the connectivity down here, but that's just what I've been up to this afternoon. And like I said, hopefully next time I'm down here I'll have a bit more time, and I'll get the doors mounted up on here and the sides mounted, get the cables run properly. I've got to put a power point up in there to plug everything into, and that'll be finished. Alright, just a quick one. Hopefully it's something a little bit different to the normal solar stuff or whatever else. So there you go. If you want to see a bit more about this type of stuff, I'll do another video with the things I've got set up at the house, and I might go through it in a bit more detail for you. Right, YouTube, hope everyone's doing well, and I'll catch you later.